can see the feeling in your eyes, and I know how hard you cry. You deserve to have so much more. I don't want to lay you down. I don't want to lay you on. I don't want to hold you back.